I was offered a job at Deutsche Bank as a complete fresher and I rejected it. 6 years later, how do I feel about this? Let's find out. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you how I feel about my decision of rejecting the Deutsche Bank job that I was given in college as a complete fresher. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a tiny bit, then please join the channel by subscribing to it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. If you're already a part of this channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Guys, disclaimer, I know this tup sound is coming because it is pouring outside and I shoot like my setup is unfortunately near the window, so थोड़ा सा bear कर लेना. In fact, कहीं से भी आवाज़ आ ही रही है because it's pouring. Having said that, let's do a slight backstory. I've made a detailed video on this which I will link in the description box so that you guys can check it out. So basically, I was offered a job at Deutsche Bank through college placement back in 2018. In that video, by the way, I have explained everything in detail, their entire recruitment process, interview stages in detail. So if you want, you can check that out. But what happened is I got the job finally, as I mentioned in that video, but end moment pe I decided not to take it and I rejected the offer. Okay, now 6 years later, a lot of people ask me, in fact 6 years later kya itne saalon mein people keep asking me, why did you do that, what a silly thing to do, you regret your decision, don't you regret your decision? These questions have come my way, and honestly, hand to my heart, let me tell you is that I don't fully regret my decision. Yes, there are some very hard days जब थोड़ा सा लगता है कि यार वही कर लेना चाहिए था, but overall mostly नहीं. I would say 80-85% I do not regret my decision, leaving those few hard days when I do regret my decision of not taking that job. And I will explain to you why I don't regret it. And I think that there are some of you who also are going through this, so just hear me out, right? So basically, at that time I was in my TY, I was graduating that year, 2018 January में ये हुआ था. And Deutsche Bank came. In fact, I used to sit for all placements. मैं बस मजे करती थी. I was not really looking out for a job, to be honest, right? In fact, मैं ऐसे करती थी कि I used to sit for all rounds of placement and last में जाके मैं कुछ stupid सा बोल के आती थी so that they wouldn't take me. Very few companies I wanted to actually be my authentic self and check कि भाई कहाँ तक पहुँच सकते हैं. Two of which are Morgan Stanley and Deutsche Bank. Morgan Stanley से रिजेक्ट हो गए थे. क्यों रिजेक्ट हुए थे? कहीं ना कहीं CFA रीजन था, उसका भी मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, so you can check it out. And second was Deutsche Bank, जहाँ पे I got accepted finally after literally there were almost 3 to 4 rounds of it. There were 4 rounds of interviews at Deutsche Bank. Now, why don't I regret it is because honestly at that point of time I don't think I was ready for a job, number one. B, I did not even know मुझे करना क्या है. I was honestly walking aimlessly. मुझे पता नहीं था मुझे फाइनेंस करना है, मुझे मीडिया करना है, मुझे क्या करना था. एंड चलो वो भी एक बारी को ठीक है, ऑनेस्टली बिना कि आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा, बट उससे भी बड़ा फियर था जो आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ यू फील, इफ नॉट ऑल ऑफ यू, इज दैट आई डिड नॉट वांट टू बी स्टक इन अ प्लेस वेयर आई वुड बिकम वेरी अनहैप्पी. आई डोंट नो, मेरा माइंडसेट था एंड आई डोंट नो, मेरा माइंडसेट वही था कि यार व्हाट इफ आई एंड अप इन अ प्लेस जहाँ पे मैं खुश नहीं हूँ और फिर मैं निकल नहीं पाऊँ, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन पीपल गेट स्टक इन अ जॉब. पैसे की लालच भी नहीं बोल सकते, पैसे एक ऐसी चीज़ है दैट वंस यू आर यूज टू इट, हर महीने जब आप देखते हो आपके अकाउंट में वो आते हैं, इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लेट गो. फिर चाहे आप मेंटली टॉर्चर हो, चाहे आपको बिल्कुल काम नहीं अच्छा लगा, चाहे आप काम में स्किल्ड नहीं हो, बट यू जस्ट आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, आर नॉट एबल टू लीव इट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट money that's coming in your account and what you're able to do with that money. So because I used to see that, somewhere that mindset used to be in my head कि यार नहीं, एक गलत डिसीजन ले लिया अभी तो फिर मैं निकल नहीं पाऊंगी, kind of a situation. Little did I know the kind of person that I was. Touch wood, I think I am that kind of person जो मैं देख लेती हूँ. And it's not about मज़े आ रहे हैं, मैं इस मज़े की बात नहीं हूँ. I'm a very strong commitment person, but इट्स मोर अबाउट क्या मेरी कोई वैल्यू अप हो रही है या मैं कुछ काम कर पा रही हूँ. सो दैट्स हाउ आई जज इफ आई वांट टू वर्क इन अ प्रोजेक्ट और वांट टू बी इन अ प्लेस और नॉट. बट दैट टुक टाइम. उस टाइम पे वो अक्ल नहीं थी, बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी, एंड दैट्स वाई आई रिजेक्टेड द जॉब. एंड दैट्स वाई 80% आई डोंट रिग्रेट इट, बिकॉज आई फील कि उस टाइम पे वो अक्ल आ भी नहीं सकती थी. You know, I was also just in college. मैं भी college going student ही थी तब. I also knew very little in life, right? And I feel that is how you learn. आप कोई चीज़ करोगे तो आप सीखोगे उससे आगे जाके, right? कि क्या सही था या क्या गलत था. And that was a learning for me. That honestly, till I actually didn't do the job, मेरे को पता नहीं चलता. But why the regret is not there is because at that point of time I know that I didn't know better. तो regret करके भी क्या, that Tanishka didn't know that. This Tanishka still knows कि यार एक बार कर देना चाहिए था, नहीं अच्छा लगता तो you could have exited. Even if that money I would have known, if I would have known the personality that I have today, कि भाई I can walk out. If you know I'm not feeling that I'm adding value or anything, I know that today I have that personality, but that time I did not know it. That was the issue. So that fear was so large in my head कि I remember when I got accepted, and this is a back story जो मैंने कभी नहीं बताया, शायद पता नहीं बताया भी होगा. The moment I got accepted, भाई साहब, I remember it was a big conference room and they invited the people, like they called out the people who got accepted. मेरे college से there were like 5 of us who got accepted from the entire batch, not just BAF, all the undergraduates. में से 5 people got accepted. It was a big moment. And the Deutsche Bank people, you know, gave us a small memo. So they gave us like a pen, a fridge magnet and something like that, a bottle. And I remember I went with shaking hands, I took it. And then I walked out. I left college क्योंकि हो गया था सब कुछ, बस घर जा रही थी. I didn't even want to stay back with my friends. And on my way back in the rickshaw, I have howled. मतलब मैं इतना रोई हूँ. इंसान को खुश होना चाहिए कि जॉब मिला है, उल्टा मैं रोने लग गई. इतना रो गई. I was so overwhelmed. Both in a positive way and a negative way. Positive way because I was like, okay Tani, you have it in you. Because believe me, that interview was not easy. But I was like, okay Tani, मतलब इतनी खराब तो नहीं है फाइनेंस में. पता नहीं, मुझे लगता था that maybe I am not meant for finance at all, for you know accounting, in the sense कि मेरे को पता था I was good with numbers, but I am not a person who's very good with like current affairs and things like that. तो मुझे लगता था यार मैं तो पढ़ती ही नहीं हूँ economic times, मुझे क्यों लेंगे, I am not worth their money and everything. That mindset was very boggling, and somewhere that also led me to reject the job. Little did I know that it was not these small things that made me worth a job or no. In fact, 95% of us, especially as freshers, only learn on the job. You don't need to be worth पहले से ही. आप अगर आपके soft skills अच्छे हैं, जिसकी वजह से मुझे job मिली honestly, because technically I was not that skilled. In fact, the reason I started doing CFA का एक ये भी था कि I wanted to check कि is this really a field I can do, am I capable for it. Apart from all the reasons that I've told you, this was also one point. And yeah, I don't know, I just felt like, you know, talking about this because I feel like a lot of you youngsters, I am also young, please, just to point it out, but a lot of us youngsters often have this point कि यार हमें या तो लगता है कि we should know it all, what I want to do and what I'm worth. But honestly ऐसा होता नहीं है. Till we don't get onto it, we will never know. And sometimes, for whatever reason, if you don't vibe with it, if you're not feeling right, if your gut is feeling कि यार नहीं ये नहीं करना, अभी तो नहीं करना, तो अगर आपने रिजेक्ट कर लिया तो उसको ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक मत करो. You know कि अरे अब जॉब नहीं मिल रही, वो ले लेना चाहिए था. It's fine. At that moment, you didn't know better. आपको नहीं पता था what the future holds. If I talk about myself, after 2 years when I actually wanted to search for a job, sorry, after 1.5 years, ऐसे ही मुझे लगा था लेट्स फाइंड अ जॉब. इट बिकेम वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तब उन मोमेंट्स में मुझे लगता था यार ले लेती बट हु न्यू वेयर लाइफ वाज कर्विंग आउट टू, यू नो. किसको पता था कोविड आ जाएगा, किसको पता था मैं फ्रीलांसिंग में चली जाऊंगी, किसको पता था मैं यूट्यूब में आ जाऊंगी, किसको पता था मेरा CFA कहाँ काम आएगा. सो समटाइम्स जस्ट ट्रस्ट कि एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू डिडंट नो बेटर, हेंस दैट डिसीजन वाज राइट. हेंस टुडे इवन इफ सम स्ट्रगल्स आर हैपनिंग, यू विल नेविगेट इट बिकॉज दैट्स जस्ट लाइफ हैपनिंग. मतलब कहीं पे ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, मेरी सिस्टर कहती रहती है स्पिरिचुअल बुक्स में, आई कांट रिमेंबर कौन से, बट ऐसे कहीं पे लिखा होता है कि यू आर एग्जैक्टली वेयर यू हैव टू बी. आपको लग रहा होगा यू आर नॉट, मुझे अक्सर लगता है, बट गॉड नोज कि एग्जैक्टली एट दिस मोमेंट आपको कहाँ होना चाहिए. सो इट्स ओके. बिकॉज इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दैट मोमेंट, आई वॉज सो डेविस्टेटेड. इनफैक्ट नेक्स्ट डे पहली बार इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ माई कॉलेज मैंने मतलब एक टीचर के सामने कॉलेज बंक किया है. I used to, you know, do my proxies and all. Obviously, shouldn't say this, but सभी करते, मैं भी करती थी. Obviously, वो मज़े मैंने भी लिए हैं कॉलेज के. But वो, like, I can remember my head of department walking to my class and me literally walking out, and I didn't care because my mind was so boggled. I was like, मुझे जाना है, मुझे बस जाना है, मैं बैठ ही नहीं सकती. तो मतलब अगर इतनी ज़्यादा रेस्टलेसनेस हो रही थी, so I think Tanishka of that day really was not vibing with it. She really didn't know better. So रिग्रेट है, कभी कभी होता है कि यार शायद आज कहीं और होती, शायद आज कुछ और कर रही होती, बट जो अभी कर रही हूँ वो भी अच्छा ही कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम हैप्पी विद इट. सो यस, काफ़ी लंबी वार्तालाप हो गई है, सो वी विल एंड इट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से थ्रू दिस. अभी कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट्स चालू होंगे, आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू विल गो थ्रू दिस. तो कभी याद आए तो बस हियर इट आउट. इफ यू वांट, if you need to hear that somebody telling you कि it's okay if you reject something, then I think this video is definitely for you. So yes, we're ending this video now because like I said, काफी लंबा वार्तालाप हो गया है. But if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and keep learning.